Is the mind truly a product of the brain as materialists hold? Or is there more to our consciousness than just neural activity? This question has fueled debates among philosophers going back for centuries, from the ancient Greeks to today. More recently, in an article published in 2015, brain surgeon Michael Egnor made a bold assertion. He stated that humans are more different from apes than apes are from viruses. The crux of his argument lay on the premise that humans possess the ability to contemplate universals, abstract concepts that have no material form. Specifically, Dr. Egnor stated, human beings think abstractly, and non-human animals do not. Human beings have the power to contemplate universals, which are concepts that have no material instantiation. Human beings think about mathematics, literature, art, language, justice, mercy, and an endless library of abstract concepts. Contemplation of universals cannot have material instantiation because universals themselves are not material and cannot be instantiated in matter. Egnor notes that the contemplation of universals is a capability that non-human animals do not possess. Moreover, far from being a mere philosophical argument, as it has been for centuries, Egnor's claim for the immateriality of the human intellect now has some fairly impressive empirical evidence backing it up. Fast forward to 2023, an article on a massive meta-analysis titled Head Truth. The huge case for thinking minds do not come from brains echoed Egnor's sentiments. The researchers of this study attempted to find a correlation between the brain states and mental states of their 23,000 subjects. Despite their best efforts to slice and dice the data using multiple different models, they found no significant correlation between brain states and mental states. Sure, they could predict age, sex, and even handedness from brain imaging data. However, when it came to psychological characteristics, their findings were starkly different. Adding any neuroimaging, whether structural or functional, did not offer any substantial benefit in predicting a psychological trait. The authors concluded that while constitutional characteristics like age, sex, and weight are highly predictable from neuroimaging, psychological and serological characteristics are not. This dramatic lack of any significant correlation between brain states and mental states aligns perfectly with Egnor's claim. It strongly supports the theist's claim that the brain is not and cannot possibly be the source of the immaterial human intellect, and also directly challenges the prevailing materialistic claim that the physical brain generates our immaterial and abstract thought. So what does this mean for our understanding of the mind-brain relationship? It means that our minds, our consciousness, directly contrary to materialistic claims, is not and cannot be generated by our physical brains, as is widely believed in mainstream neuroscience. It means that there's far more to explore, far more to understand about the human mind than mainstream scientists have falsely been led to believe by their materialistic philosophy. As Shakespeare once wrote in Hamlet, "There are more things in heaven and earth, Horatio, than are dreamt of in your philosophy." In conclusion, the 2023 study suggests that our mental states are not directly linked to our brain states. This finding supports Egnor's argument that the human mind is distinct and not reducible to the material brain. It's a revelation that challenges our understanding and opens up a new realm of possibilities for future research. Remember, every discovery, every piece of evidence, every study brings us one step closer to understanding the complex and fascinating nature of human consciousness. And as we delve deeper into this mystery, it is good to remember Einstein's words. The most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious. It is the source of all true art and science.